everyone. In this very short video, I want to show you a Lambda function that I've created that allows you to select a range from the row that you specify till the last value. Now, this video is not going to explain you how it works, even though I will give you a very high-level overview. If you want to go back and play around with the formula, please feel free to do so. The formula is available on GitHub. But I want to show you the use case, and I hope you're able to integrate it in your Excel formulas as well. Now, the problem statement that we have is that we have a set of values here in column C, and I would like to select all these values. As a matter of fact, let's select column B. We would like to get a list of all these names. Now, the thing is that if I select equal to B3 to B12, we get a copy of all the names. And we can write some formula on that, maybe to find the unique list or to find the count of all these names. But then how do you know it is from B3 to B12? There is a separate video that I have in which I explain how to get this number 12 dynamically using a Lambda function. And that is also available on YouTube and on GitHub. But this is a slightly better way where you can actually get that complete list. So how it works is that I simply write select range till last cell. And there are two parameters that come here. First, we select the column. And then we also have to put the row that has the first name in it. Now, the reason this has been made a user input is because it depends on the data that you have. For me, it is starting on the third row, but it might start on the second or the fifth row as well. And what it does is that it takes 3 as the starting point, but you don't have to tell it how many names are there. It automatically goes up till the 12th row. And as you can see, when I add more names here, it works automatically. If I leave a blank and I add a name, that works as well, even though it gives us a 0, but we can filter that out using a different formula. And in any case, you would expect that all the records in the customer name column will have a name in it. Now, if I take you through the formula, you can see here that we are first creating a let, which is the variable that we are creating. And we want to get the column letter. That means that since we are working in column B, somehow I need to know that we are working in column B. And that is what this part is doing for us. So the substitute that you see here is essentially able to take that B colon B, which is the column, and extract only the letter B from it. And once I get this my column letter, then I'm using an indirect function. So my column letter is B. My first row is the user input, where we had put a number 3. So this becomes B3 colon, once again B, and then this particular part, which is able to find out the last record that has a value in it. So this max of my column not equal to blank multiplied by the row number is essentially going to tell me that the last value is in the 12th row. I would love to explain this in more detail, but then that's going to make this a really long lecture. And I personally feel that for most of you, just copying and pasting this would work. But in case you're curious and you want to tweak it and you want to use it for your own requirements, blending it with other formulas, you have the formula with you. Please feel free to have a go at it.